Now guys, let's load our custom 3D model and apply what we created on that. So I will go to file and then import and geometry. Okay, so you will find this obj file in the resources. Okay, so I will upload that for you. So I will click on that and I will hit accept. Okay, so here I have the female head and I will dive inside and then I will cut that, Control and X, and then I will go to the geo and here I will hit Control and V to paste that. If you middle mouse click here guys, you will see I created 3 groups. Okay, so I have eyes and female head and skull. So if I hit tab and type delete, and let's see, and here you see I have the eyes, female head and a skull. Okay, so if I clicked on the skull and come here and click on delete non-selected, and this is the skull. Okay, I will change that to female head. So now I have the female head. Okay, and now guys I will connect that. I will delete the sphere, or I can shake that to detach the sphere, and I will connect it to the sort. Okay, so let's see now. Okay, so now in the sort guys, I will set that to Y because I want to build the cubes from upper area to the bottom. Okay, so let's see what we get now if I come to the poly extrude. But the problem is now building from the bottom, right? So I want to build them from the upper area. So I can come to the sort again and click here to reverse the primitive sort. So now it's building from the upper area. And another thing guys, as you see it's too slow, right? So it's building too slow. So we can make that faster by coming to the group range, and here in the $F I will multiply that by 20. Okay, so now it's faster. Okay, so let's see here if I now if I come to the poly bevel guys, and let's go further a little bit here. I want to show you something. As you see here I have a problem. We can fix that by coming to the bevel, and we need to decrease this size guys because the bevel is too much. That what caused this problem. So I will set this one to 2 and let's see if this works. We still have a little problem here. We can decrease that a little bit more, 1.5. I think this will fix this problem. That didn't fix that, so we need to try another thing here guys. We will click on ignore flat edges. Okay, okay, and this again didn't fix that. Let's try another thing in the poly extrude. This problem will not be shown in the outer area guys. If you come here a little bit more, we can. Okay, as you see the problem is inside, but you can fix that again by decreasing this value a little bit more. For example, let's set it to 2. Okay, let's set it to 0.01. We can fix that in another way guys too, by coming to the delete node here, and I will go inside and I will delete this eyes, okay, this inside eyes. So I can click on select and I can select the eyes by coming here. Let's see, let's select this area and shift and select this area, and now from the outside I can go to the front or side view by holding space and V on the keyboard, and let's come here and let's control and deselect that. Let's see, and here I will control and select, or we can go to the upper. Let's go here holding the mouse, left mouse click and wireframe, and let's see. Okay, I will control and deselect this area. Okay, hopefully this will fix that problem. Okay, so let's go now to the perspective view and let's go to the smooth shaded. And now guys, let's create a group, or you can just hit delete on the keyboard. We need to deselect this face 2, deselect this one. Okay, you can just hit delete on the keyboard guys. You see now I have the blast node. This is like the delete node, but it's very simple. Okay, and now I deleted inside the eyes. So let's come here and see what happens in the poly bevel. Okay, we fixed that, right? So let's create a flipbook. I will come here and flipbook and let's click accept. Okay guys, it took about 20 minutes just to finish that. The reason is too slow guys, because we have the poly bevel. Okay, so let's play and see. The reason the process is very slow guys, because the poly bevel, so I will not use the poly bevel for now. So let's come here to the render and click on disconnected. So what this does guys, if you created another flipbook, this will not be overwritten. Okay, so this will be independent. So I will minimize that, and now I will delete the poly bevel, or I will shake it and put it aside here. So now if I scroll, you see it's much more faster guys. Okay, let's increase the time to about 700. Okay, let's do another play blast or flipbook. Okay, as you see it's very fast. Okay guys, the flipbook is finished. Let's take a look at that. Of course you can click here to enable the real-time playing. Okay, you can export that guys to a video by coming to file and then export and then video for Windows for example, and here you can specify the path. The problem is after you export, maybe you will see the size of the video is too big. You need to convert that. After exporting, you need to convert that to another file format like MP4 or anything in another software like After Effects or any free software you can download from internet guys. Okay, So that's it for this lesson, guys. Try to do another things, guys, like coming in the sort and change this one to random and see what this will do for you. Okay, so see you in the next lesson, guys.